What would you do if you were a famous hip-hop artist rolling in the Benjamins with more money than you knew what to do with? We know. Hey guys, welcome back to Dead Red Studio. Drake has a problem. He has too much money. The solution? Build one badass pad that looks like a miniature version of Buckingham Palace, except way more awesome and with less smelly old people. Hip-hop artist Drake, real name Aubrey Graham, may have started from the bottom, but now he's definitely here, chilling in a custom-built Toronto mega mansion fit for royalty. In 2019, he made number 5 on Forbes' list of the richest rappers.
I want to thank my mom for her relentless effort.
A feat made even more extraordinary considering he was the youngest on the list by a decade.
First of all, I want to say thank you so much.
Life is good for Heartbreak Drake. His net worth is now up around $150 million, give or take. In 2019, the Canadian superstar went all out with this luxurious estate he constructed in Toronto, the home of his beloved Raptors. Talk about one of the best places to ever be stuck in isolation during a global pandemic. You won't believe what's inside. Champagne Poppy's ultra-luxury property is valued at $100 million. The custom home having a footprint of 50,000 square feet and sitting on over 87,000 square feet of land. More like the size of a small country. The homes you see on MTV Cribs were chump change compared to this behemoth. He originally purchased the property for $6.7 million and had to ask for special permission from the local council in order to make the fences twice the legal height. This place is a fortress. It wasn't quite private enough, so he shelled out another $1 million for tall trees around the grounds. This home is a marvel of old-world craftsmanship, constructed of limestone, bronze, exotic timber, and other noble materials. Every detail of the sprawling property has been meticulously conceived and executed. It's been dubbed the Embassy, and for good reason. The sheer scale of the rooms set the tone for the home the moment you walk into the expansive atrium. It's clad in solid limestone with marble inserts beneath a faceted antique mirror framed in bronze. The ceilings are 44 feet high, and a huge, custom-designed grand piano gives you the distinct impression that you're entering a place rich in music, and is one of the single most expensive pieces in the home, coming in at over $500,000 by itself. What really demands your attention in the Great Room is a monumental replication of the iconic Metropolitan Opera chandelier. With more than 20,000 pieces of hand-cut Swarovski crystal, the dazzling light sculpture is the second largest installation of its kind in the world. Drake is the king of bling. Drizzy's favorite place in the whole crib is not a hard one to guess. It's probably where he does his best work, when not in the studio, that is. His 3,200 square foot master bedroom suite comes with 1,100 square feet of additional private covered terrace. The bed and base weigh over a ton. The headboard incorporates an antique mirror with a whiskey and champagne bar on the reverse side. The accompanying furniture features mother-of-pearl inlays. Drake's 2-story closet has to be seen to be believed. It's encrusted with amethyst hardware, rock crystal, and seating upholstered in diamond-tufted shearling with polished nickel studs. It's the perfect place to display his extensive wardrobe and sneaker collection. Inside the ensuite, a massive 4,000-pound tub takes center stage. Amazingly, it's carved out of a single black marble block. There is no join or imperfection to be seen. The mansion was designed with some of Drake's favorite hobbies in mind. There is an NBA regulation-sized basketball court inside, so he can shoot some hoops with DJ Khaled before kicking back in the private recording studio to work on the next hit. Another one. He has an entire room simply called the Awards Room. It doesn't take a genius to work out this is where he keeps many of his accolades and achievements. Moving on to the next hallway, his insanely huge collection of jerseys and sports memorabilia line your path in floor-to-ceiling glass cabinets that go on for the entire length of the hallway. After a long day in the courts or in the studio, Drake can relax in one of 2 saunas residing within the compound, choosing to take a massage at the dedicated therapy room or go for a dip in either his full-size indoor or outdoor pools. The indoor pool is made of the same black granite as that awesome custom tub in his ensuite. It comes complete with black lights, meaning a quick change-up of the mood lighting is always on the cards should it tickle his fancy. Lighting plays an important part in Drake's home life. His singing toilet also comes with customizable mood lighting to make a mundane experience high class. A mansion like this wouldn't be complete without a 10-car garage to store all his luxury cars. It's all about how you roll and how you present yourself to the world when you go out. You have to do it in style, always. It pays to have a stable when you own this many stallions. He has a car for every occasion and is truly spoiled for choice. In his collection, he boasts a Bugatti Veyron Sang Noir worth $3.4 million, one of just 12 ever made. Other notable supercars include a Devil 16 worth $2.2 million, the Ferrari LaFerrari worth $1.5 million, Mercedes SLR McLaren worth $500,000, Lamborghini Aventador worth $400,000, McLaren 675 LT worth $400,000, and a Lamborghini Gallardo worth $250,000. A Mercedes Maybach G650 rounds out the luxury element of his collection, one of 99 in the world. Other luxury choices include a Rolls-Royce Dawn convertible worth $400,000 and a Bentley Continental GTC worth $300,000. A Mercedes Pullman limousine worth $600,000 is what he cruises around in the back of when he can't be bothered getting behind the wheel. When he prefers comfort over speed and luxury, a Maybach 62S is what you'll see Drake driving around in. It's the last one ever to be made, and no expense was spared in kitting out this amazing vehicle. And that just about wraps things up for today. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you like best about Drake's ridiculously opulent crib. If you enjoyed this video, why not give us a like and hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Let us know in the comments if we missed out any crazy facts about Drake. We love hearing from our viewers. You've been watching Dead Red Studio. We'll see you next time.